this is the correct slide. And the problems that we so first, while I was being an assistant for my chess coach, I've seen those phenomenons that the chess coach encountered when while he was grading his students' homework, and then he has a lot of homework to grade, and then he doesn't have a he only has a rough understanding of the level of the students, and then also doesn't know whether the students really understand the concept that they just learned. And he also needs a lot of time to review each homework, and then he needs to print the hard copies for each student, and then which requires a lot of paper. And then the homework, it also doesn't have any space for him to write detailed comments. So it's really frustrating for him. And then he also cannot separate the files for each class, for the students of each class, and then so that causes some struggle for him because he cannot easily find the file that he wants and to present. And the students that might need more practice about for chess tactics and for anything, and he cannot find the corresponding tactics and or practice for the student. He can only generally tell them to maybe okay, practice on chess.com, practice more chess puzzles. But he cannot design specialized practices for his students. So why is this important? Because if we have an online application, then um, we can significantly save more time for chess coaches to prepare to grade the homework, and then they will have more spare time to prepare for the lecture. And then they also need to know, but based on the grading for who has better understanding of the new information that have we have learned. And then which also might affect the progress of the class. Maybe, okay, so for example, someone did really bad on homework, and so that person, the coach will know that okay, that person actually needs more practices, and then maybe some more lectures to talk about it. But because there's only, I think, six the sample I think the sample practice is about six problems, and then only six problems does not make the coach easily identify all the weaknesses that the student have. So I think so our application can easily help the coach to find more practices and to assign more homework to a student. So this is our solution, the chess work. So the ch coaches can view the homework online, so which doesn't require any paper. So he doesn't have to print all any papers, and then he can just grade it by viewing all the homework on digitally, and then we also have a comment box for the coach to check and then to write some detailed feedbacks to the students, and then their parents can also see their students' performance, their children's performance, and also it distinctively separate each class. So we in chess we in chess academies, they separate the students to specific levels like novice players, tournament players, or advanced players. So I was being assistant for the three types of classes, and then of course each student they have distinct levels because because of the time that they have learned chess. So they can easily assign extra homework specifically to individuals. So anyone doesn't who maybe doesn't have a comprehensive understanding of the concept can the coach can just assign more homework for the student to practice and to see how they performed. Okay, why choosing this? Because for now it is a free tool for all chess coaches worldwide to use. You can download it from the App Store, and also comparing to Canvas and Microsoft Teams, because it has a really unique feature that is which is free, right? And so Canvas and Microsoft Teams, they all require subscriptions to access its feature, but this tool doesn't. And it is designed explicitly for chess coaches, and which is only for chess grading. I think I'll talk about it in the future development, but now so there's and also I think there is no other application that is similar to Chessworks. So this this homework grading thing that is designed only for chess is I think it's the first application. And there's something that is similar, but it doesn't have any feature that is same as as what we have designed. Okay, so this is a brief brief it's a user interface. It's like a model. This interface for our application, and so you can see that okay, you can create a class. So you haven't set up any classes, so you can create a class, and then you can see that okay, and you can be so our application you can be the coach. So you can create a class and then let others join, and then you can assign chess homeworks to people. And then you can also there's also a join class. You can also for the second you can see the second symbol down in the this app bar. You can see if you click on it, you can you can join others class. So and you can see new assignments and upcoming deadline. It's going to show up here. And then so for the third image, you can see that I'm in a class. It's called Michael Test, and then it has an assignment, and you can click on it. And after you click on it, you can see the question, which is okay, question 0, and it's only a demo. You can see a chessboard, and then you can make a move on it, and then the system will automatically record each move that you have made, and then the coach is going to see your answers after you click on submit. You can also view the previous answer, but you cannot undo it. But then the coach can see what you have played, and then he can grade it and then make some comments. And I've also recorded a video. I think I use it for the another competition which is called Game Gala competition. So you can see from here. Okay, the video is here. Okay, you can. Hi judges, this is my application for the Game Gala competition, and let's begin. So okay, here's a teacher's user interface, and you can see that I can create an assignment like this, and then like teacher, and I can create it. And then I can click on the top and it says assignment, and I click on it, it's going to say question 1. If I click on question 1, it's going to give me the choice to edit the question or just go back and create a new one like this. Maybe I'll just type my name, and then I will set a date for starting the time and the due date and the due date time this, and I can do some descriptive writings like so this topic is about this. I can create it. So let me see. Okay, Michael, and then I can click on it and I can create a questions. I can load some PGM, but I'm not gonna do it right now. And I can select whose turn to move, and I can create a question. And then after I click on it, you can see it's like this. And now back to the students interface. You can join classes by using the code, or I already joined one, and then you can see that they posted assignment. Click on the question, you can view previous answer that I did, and I can click on the submit button. It's going back. You can see the description. And then for the notification, you can see that, okay, some new assignments that is published and some upcoming deadline assignments. For my profile, you can change my username, my email, and or reset my password. I can save. I'm just going to save uh, any of the modifications, and I can delete my account. I can log out like this. Okay, so this is a video demo, and okay, experiment. So I'm planning, so I haven't done it, but I'm planning to let my chess coach to use it and give a feedback, and so again give anything that can improve this application. And then so for example, maybe we can add some chessboard. Like, okay, this is a source from chess.com. This is like a sample chess.com interface. You can see that okay, there's engine and there's also some immediate feedback from the AI coach. You can see that okay, you sacrifice your king, your queen, and we might add more features like this, make it make the interface better. But for experiment, we haven't done it, and we are still doing more improve, or we're still planning to do more improvements, and then to maybe to eliminate some bugs and anything like that. And for the future development, we might fix the potential bugs. Okay, there's so to be honest, there's actually some bug that we found, but we haven't yet fixed it. So and then it might also um create some inconvenience. Like maybe okay, the users might be confused about okay which one should I click on, like the con like the so should I click on the created one or the join one? Like and then also I think the buttons like the you can see that the containers for each page is way too big, and then if a coach has multiple classes, he might have to scroll down and then find the one that he wants, so which cause some inconvenience. And then we are also going to improve the user interface and then make it not as simple as it looks. Make it okay, make it like the one okay, this chess.com thing. It looks really nice, but for our interface, it looks simple without any artistic elements. We're gonna add more of that later in the future. And then we're also going to find a way for to make it easier to navigate through each page. And then like when you click on it, you're going to uh you're going to, we're going to just make the icon smaller and then just make it more user friendly. And then we were so may and then after we gather more information, we might improve based on feedback, like some maybe some application. No, the feedbacks in the app store, application store. Yeah. And in conclusion, this chess work saves time for coaches, and then it also provide them a chance to 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 um to write feedbacks to students, so that students can have more concrete understanding of the part that have they might have missed, and it's going to categorize the classes and make it easier. But we haven't yet achieved the third feature. We're still working on it, and it's going to have a feature of assigning extra practice, which is really important for chess players because we as chess players, we need practices. We need tons of practices to actually grasp the knowledge that we have learned, and also we need to recognize we so we can recognize more chess tactics, the chess patterns, so like that. And then okay, thank you. Any questions?